Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Exponential series problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds using a simple Maclaurin expansion strategy. Watch this quick breakdown to master it. Start with the standard Maclaurin series for e to the u, substitute negative x squared for u to get the first few terms of our exponential expansion. You got this! Now multiply this entire series by x squared. This gives us the Maclaurin series for the derivative f prime of x term by term. Check this out. It is super easy. Finally, integrate term by term. Since f of 0 is 0, the constant of integration is 0. This yields the first three terms of f of x. Boom, done! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid skipping the constant or wrong powers. Always use series and combine your terms correctly.